Welcome to Study Loop.
If the results of a two-factor experiment are presented in a line graph, then an interaction can be seen only when the two lines intersect, and that is not true. False. In a two-factor experiment, interaction between factors is typically assessed by examining how the effect of one factor changes depending on the level of another. Interaction does not necessarily require lines to physically intersect on a line graph. Interaction occurs when the effect of one factor on the response variable depends on the level of another factor. This can be observed by looking at how the lines representing different levels change with different levels. How different levels of factor A change with different levels of factor B. On a line graph, you would typically plot the response variables against one factor, with separate lines representing different levels of the other. Interaction is visually indicated by non-parallel lines or by the crossing of lines at different points along the x-axis, but lines physically crossing each other is not a requirement for interaction to be present. Interaction can also be assessed quantitatively through conducting an analysis of variance or ANOVA that includes interaction terms between the factors.